Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can fix the situation if your iPhone says SOS and no connection to the network. Please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write your comments. Let's get started. Okay, the first way is we can turn on airplane mode ourselves. What do we need to do? You need to swipe down from the top of the screen to go to the widget's settings. And here we see the airplane sign. We click on it. And that's how you turn on airplane mode. The phone should be in this mode for about a minute. And after that you can turn it off. This method will help to reconnect to your mobile network. You may be able to get a network after that, if this method doesn't work. Then maybe the problem is that you have VPN enabled, or you use VPN a lot. Then you will need to go into the settings. Here in this part of the screen you will have a subsection VPN. You will just need to turn it off, and to ensure that after this action you can also turn on and turn off the flight mode. If even this does not help to connect to the mobile network, then I recommend you to reboot the phone. To do this, we will need to press the shutdown button, as well as the sound button, but the button to increase the sound, not decrease. So we press the boost button and the mute button at the same time. In order to turn off our phone, you just need to swipe this button to the right side. After that, the phone will reboot. In the off state, I recommend that the phone was 1 or 2 minutes, after which it can be turned on and perhaps you will resume connection to your mobile network. If this method unfortunately doesn't work either, then you may need to reset the network settings. To do this, you need to go into the settings. Then we select General. Then we go to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now we select Reset. And then we select Reset Network Settings. After you select this function, you might get a cell phone network. That's one method. But if even after that, unfortunately, you still don't have a mobile network, and none of the methods work for you, then you will need to check for the latest updates. So, for this we need to go to General in the settings. Then we go to Software Update. Here we will have the latest iOS updates. So in order to update, we just need to click Update Now. And after that, we will get the latest version of iOS. After that, I recommend you also turn off airplane mode. But keep in mind that after the update, you'll lose all your Wi-Fi passwords maybe. And also the hotspot settings will be lost, and you will have to re-enter your passwords. These are the methods in order to fix the situation on your iPhone and connect to the mobile network phone. I hope this video was useful for you. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, put likes and comments. See you later.